Assalamu Aleikum Warahmatullahi Wabarakatuh to all of my lovely friends and family. I hope you are all in the best state of health with sound Iman. Welcome back to IWHAT Eating Kitchen. In today's video, Bihidinillahi Tahaallah, I'm going to be showing you how to make this lovely pasta sauce with spaghetti. Before I commence on the cooking, let me first introduce you to the ingredients that I'm going to be using in today's cooking. Let's begin. These are all the ingredients that I'm going to be using in today's cooking. I've got 700 grams of spicy meat ball. These are lard. I've got tomato passata 500 ml. I've got 500 grams of spaghetti. And for the spice and seasoning, I've got 1 teaspoon of chicken jumbo, 1 teaspoon of minced herb, 1 teaspoon of curry, 700 ml of oil, vegetable oil, and 1 onion. I've got here cauliflower, broccoli, and sweet, all blended together. So let's begin. Bismillah. The vegetables were blended. Add some of the oil, but you left some for the pasta. While the oil is being put on the fire, peel the onions. Alhamdulillah, that's done. It's going to be hard to the oil now. Next thing to do is to add our tomato. I'm not using any pepper at the moment, any hot pepper, because the meatballs is very spicy. Minced herb, chicken jumbo, and last but not the least, the curry. And I mix well. I think my oyibo is getting better now. I'm going to let this simmer for like 5 minutes. While the tomato sauce is being put to simmer, I need to start preparing the pasta. This kind of satisfying. Have the 1 liter of boiled water, oil, and salt. Where did I put the salt? Oh my days. Salt, okay. I finally found it. This is where I measure my salt. That's enough. And stir. Now I put it on the heat to be boiled. Our pasta is being put on. And this is the sauce. This is the time to add the vegetable. The little chef is mixing this up. So, after I finish mixing, we are going to leave this to simmer for 5 minutes. Nice. This is the time to add the meatball. And I will let it simmer for another 5 minutes. Alhamdulillah, for our dinner is ready. This is spaghetti and it's time to drain it, strain it. Alhamdulillah, this is the end result of our sauce. And the pasta is also ready, so it's going to be spraying. The spaghetti has finished spraying and it's time to serve. That is all we have for you today. Jazakumullah khairan for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please kindly like, share, and don't forget to comment. We would love to read from you. Also, kindly subscribe to our channel. Let's not forget, please kindly watch Tasting Time with my little chef in order to listen to his review on this meal. We do appreciate all your love and support. With this, we leave you in the care of Allah Subhannahu Wata Ala. Stay blessed and safe with lots of love. IWHAT.
Thank you, Allah, for my mother. Say thank you, Allah. Thank you, Allah. Say thank you,